Alright traders, good morning and happy Saturday. It's 9:30 Saturday morning. Definitely going to be getting a haircut soon. Now, I sold the Aussie dollar. So this is been taken on a daily candle. I took this, it wasn't 1 a.m, it was like 12:40, very early in the morning after work. I had been watching the Aussie dollar for quite some time, so I was in the Aussie dollar actually late last month as well. I think I traded it on the 30th or the 31st of August. We'll be able to find. There we go. So I got in on the 30th and then out on the 31st. Now I actually closed this out manually, and I didn't follow the rules to the T. And it was like 1.2 or something like that. So it was about $15 would have been 1%, or 15.50. This was like $18 pretty much. So and then it held, and it's really broken down. I didn't think we'd see something like down to 71 cents, to be honest. It's pretty crazy. But I got in at 71.03. Now there is a bit of a spread. I think it's a 7 pip spread currently. So that's why it's showing 71.09 as the price, even though it closed at 71.01. So in a tiny little bit of profit. This trade it's going to take a little bit longer to develop, as the stop is at 72.36. So that was based on a 55-day moving average on the 4-hour. So it's up here. So it's crazy how much it's fallen though in another week, because I was up here selling it, and the reason why I did get out of it, it was because trends have been a little difficult, and the US dollar's been a little bit volatile in regards to the swings that it'll have against the majors because of everything that's going on. But I really need to learn to block that out, because my rules are my rules. I need to follow them. So the stop shoot has been moved to break even when this all happened. I would have survived this because the high here was 72.35, so I would have survived it because I would have been down. I got in at 72.60, so I might have moved to like 72.58 or 57. So I would have survived this, and this is good. So even with like 5 pip spread or 7 pip spread or a 10 pip spread, I would have survived this. So, and then this collapses some more. So I've left like 4% on the table. So I think I got out here. And when did I get out? This is good. I want to highlight this because it's good for me to keep this video at 72.25. So I took 35 pips, and on the table was 160. Oh dear. So it's like 5. So 4% I've left. Okay, so that now we've got that cleared up. But that's the importance of relying on your system, guys, and not, there's just so much noise out there. It's hard. It is, especially on a live account. It is different than a demo account. Anyway, so that's the trade. Now, how has the week gone? I did sell the euro. So I have already sold the euro. That was a small losing trade as well. So pretty much 1% exactly. So that's that. Now there is 2% risk on the Aussie dollar. I've decided to take it back up to 2. And I've gone over the euro. I won't really go into detail about that, but I'm sitting at about 1.8% for the year. So, but it's funny. I mean, one trade can really, you have a couple of really good trades, and you can, 5% here, 5% there, another 5%. 15% for the year is respectable. I mean, it is my first year properly trading live as well, so you're gonna have some ups and downs. But that's gonna be it for now, guys. In regards to a watch list, With 2% risk, I'm not really comfortable trading anything else, but I think I'll save the watch list for tomorrow. I'll bring a watch list out tomorrow. Here is the Aussie dollar sell trade. Yeah, look, I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy with this. Whatever happens, I mean, that's good price action. You know, I sell in a weakness. So if you go to the weekly, there we go. So there it is. That's how the candle closed. I mean, we could go down to 68 potentially. So something to keep in mind, guys. I'm going to see what happens, and I'm going to be a little bit more detached. Okay, so I'm doing this video to keep me accountable. That's why I went through my previous Aussie dollar sell trade. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Watch this video. Ooh, can it come out tomorrow? Oh, it can. It can. It'll be later though. It'll be later on because I've got training, then work for a few hours, and yeah, I'll do that. Anyway, guys, bye for now, and happy trading.